दोस्तों नमस्कार। वेलकम इन आवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। तो दोस्तों आनंद उठाइए हमारे इस वीडियो का। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, दैट इज इंटरनल डिवीजन। इंटरनल डिवीजन मीन्स a line segment is given and a point P just lies between these 2 points. So we can say that this is internal division, means ये वाला point P इन दोनों के बीच में कहीं ना कहीं होगा, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं internal division. So let's 2 points A and B having coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. And our requirement to find the coordinate of point P, let us x and y. Now we will join these, draw the perpendicular these 3 points, that is point A, point P and join parallel to x axis. So we will get 2 triangles. One triangle is PKB and second triangle is AHP, and these 2 triangles AHP and PKB similar. Why? By the AA criterion. How can you say? Because this angle and this angle P and angle B, this is the corresponding angle, they are equal, and this is perpendicular, that is 90 degree, so this is also equal, and this is angle A and angle P, also corresponding angle. So all angles are equal, therefore we can say that these 2 triangles are similar. If these 2 triangles are similar, then we can say that the ratio of their sides will be equal, that is AP upon PB, side of first triangle divided by side of second triangle. Similarly AH upon PK, that is base side divided by base side, and PH means altitude divided by altitude, that is BK. Now if the value of AP is M and the value of BP is N. Why? We have to take this line segment, divide in the ratio M into N. So this is M by N, and the distance of AH, this is AH. If we take total X and this is X1, then we can say that this distance is X minus X1, and similarly this is x2 minus x and y minus y1 divided by 2 minus y1. On simplifying this, we will get the section formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma m by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus 1. So this is the section formula which is internally divided. Now external division. What do you mean by the external division? Means if a line segment is given, let us AB is a line segment is given, then point P lies just outside of this line segment AB. See just in the diagram, this is x-axis and y-axis, and here is 2 points A and B, and this point P just lies outside of this line segment AB, having got point A having coordinate x1 y1 and point B having coordinate x2 y2, and let's the point P have the coordinate xy. So our requirement to find the value of x and y. So P divide AB externally in the ratio m into n. Let us the whole ratio of this line segment is, this is m and this is n. Now again we will draw the perpendicular line from these points as you see. After that join the parallel lines of the x-axis and naming this is L, M and H, K and P. Once again we will get these 2 triangles are similar by AAA criterion, because this angle is 90 degree and this is the corresponding angle, this is also angle A and angle B is also corresponding angle. So angle P, triangle PAH whole triangle, and similar to triangle PBK, PBK, whole triangle PAH. You can see that in diagram. So if these two triangles are similar, then their ratios are also similar, means whole side, that is AP divided by BP. Similarly, whole side AH divided by BK, and similarly PH divided by PK. PH is this one and PK is this. So again, AP is M and BP is N. And this is distance x minus x1 and x minus x2 equal to y minus y1 and y minus y2. How can you say this is x minus x1? Let us, this is whole is x and this one distance is only x. So remaining is x minus x1. Similarly, this is y minus y1. After that, this is, we will get, on simplifying this, we will get the coordinate of point P, that is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, and m by 2 minus n by 1 divided by m minus 1. So what is the difference between internal and external formula? What is the difference between internal and external formula? And in the internal formula, you will get plus sign in both places, that is numerator and denominator. Similarly, in this y coordinate, you will get here plus sign, and in the external division, you will get the negative sign in both places, that is numerator and denominator of x coordinate and numerator of denominator of y coordinate. Y coordinate means ordinate and x coordinate means abscissa. So you will get the, this is the external formula. So keep in mind what is the external section formula. Section formula, external division. Now moving on next, midpoint, coordinate of midpoint. How can you find the coordinate of midpoint? Let us A and B are 2 points, then the coordinate of point midpoint of AB. If it is midpoint, it means that point divided in the same ratio, that is 1:1, because this is the middle point. Now the coordinate of this point. Now application of section formula. Let us try to understand how can you apply section formula for taking a question. The question is, find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of -1,7 and 4,3 in the ratio 2:3. So this is the given question. Means here is 2 points is given, and by joining these points we will get a line segment AB. And let us, this is a point A, given coordinate is -1,7, and second one is point B and the given point is 4,3, and these 2 points divide this line segment into parts which in the ratio 2:3. So let us, this is the point P on the line segment AB, and then let us, the coordinate of this point is x comma y. So the value of x comma y is required, and here it given that this part 1, that is AP in the ratio 2, and PB, this is given part 3. So we will write this whole part as a 2 and this is second part as a 3. Okay, so first of all you will take these given points as, let A is -1,7 and point B is 4,3. Then you draw a line and mark these 2 points A and B, and then taken P as a point just inside of these 2 points. Let us, this is P and coordinate is x comma y for this P. and ratio means part of this line segment divided by this point is 2 and 3, which is given ratio. Now you know that by the section formula. What is the section formula? By section formula, what you know? Section formula is x equal to, what is the section formula? X equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by, what you write? Divide by m plus n. Or this is also written as how, which type? You can write it as m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So you will take x1 is -1 and x2 is y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 is 3, and this is m1 m2. You will take it as 2 is as a m1 otherwise m, and 3 is a m2 otherwise n. Okay, so you will substitute these value in this given formula. Then what you get? You will get m means this is 2 into x2 means 4 plus n means this is 3, that is m2 is 3 into x1 is -1 divide by m1 plus m2, that is m plus n, that 2 and 3. So you will write 2 plus 3. What you get in this case? You will get 2 4 ja 8 and 3 1 ja 3, that is -3 and plus and -3 divide by 2 plus 3 means 5. So what you get? 8 minus 3 means 5 upon 5, and 5 upon 5 you can write it as 1. So this is the value of x. Okay, now for second coordinate y, you will write it as, just you can see on the board, you will know that y equal to what? You will write m by 2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Otherwise you can write just second form, or m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. In either form you can write this formula. Okay, so now m is same things, that is 2 and 3. Okay, and this is y1 and this is y2. 7 is y1 and 3 is. Now for the coordinate of y, we will substitute the value mn, otherwise m1 m2, and y2 and y1 means y1 and y2. Here is this 7 is y1 and 3 is y2. Okay, so you will put this value here. So you will get y equal to m is 2, that is 2 into y2 is 3, so into 3 plus m2 otherwise n, this is 3, and y1 is here 7. So you substitute here 7 divide by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. This is same things. and on simplifying 2 3s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 5, so you will get that is 27 by 5. 27 by 5. Now therefore coordinate of the points, coordinate of the points, this is how much? X is 1 and y is 27 by 5. Okay, so question says find the coordinate of the point. So the coordinate of the point is 1, 27 by 5. So this is the answer of this question. तो दोस्तों हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।